blog, and he actually watches it, and we tweet occasionally.
Oh,
and,
cool.
yeah, he does the videos.
Yeah, yeah.
Well. He does some, and that other guy, I think his name is Kay. He does a lot of the these teardown, how to make things from nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess that's a make thing, but his videos get hundreds of thousands of views, and how to make a little laser death pointer or something like that out of something you got from the supermarket.
Right. Yeah, well, I had never seen it before.
He works full time on those.
Yeah, I'd never seen it before. That's pretty cool that they had those. So
yeah,
that was good to check out.
It's good. It's sort of not really a consistent thing like mine. It's kind of different, It's kind of they'll have somebody do one and somebody do another, and they'll link in other people's videos and stuff like that. So it more is I guess a blog is traditionally either saying something yourself or submitting other material, showcasing other material you found and things like that. Whereas mine's all generated by me. So I'm a one-man band. So they're a big full-time business now, make magazines. So good on them. Yeah, they've certainly got the resources to do it. So
well, speaking of things people have found online, how about our logo? We have a new logo now.
We do have a new logo.
Yeah, so it's actually, if you go to the amphour.com/link here, we have a couple cut and pastable pieces of HTML you can stick in your site. There's big ones and small ones and things that have text on them. So
yeah, and it's basically a Earth globe thing with a microphone going around the globe, and it's got Sydney, Australia, and Cleveland, Ohio there in the US. So
it's got everything, and circuit board in the middle too.
Yeah, and also we'll post photos of I haven't done it yet. I'll post a photo of my little recording studio, I guess you could call it here.
Yes.
Which is rather unusual today. I was annoyed by the echo last week because I'm in a tiny little room with square walls and no other furniture apart from the desk, really, so it echoes pretty badly. So I put some, I've taken apart the lounge and I've put some cushions up behind my monitor. And
I haven't seen pictures of this yet, but I cannot wait.
Right.
It's going to look like a fort.
Oh, not quite. There's only 2 cushions there. I didn't go
maybe next
overboard.
time. You can have
I'll add some extra cushions. So hopefully it's not as echoey this time. But
sounds good.
But if you're thinking about doing your own podcast, just think about that. Echo is a big thing. You really have to go to a fair bit of effort to stop echoes in most rooms. You could put up heavy curtains and egg cartons on the wall and.
I always love when I learned about echo, I never really realized what it was. That it's just a phase shift. I mean, it makes sense, right?
Yep.
But echo is just, or maybe that's reverb. Reverb is just a phase shift.
Yeah.
Echo is actually the sound wave bouncing back, but then you get like the interference and everything and the phase shifting. It's pretty cool. And that's actually how you can do it in software too.
You can do it in software, but it's hard to take out. So if your recording's got an echo in it, it's not.
That's true.
Not easy to take out. So if you're thinking about doing a podcast, you may have your super, you may have $1,000 microphone, but it's going to be no good if you're sitting in a crap room. So it's all important. But I still don't think my my audio here is perfect. But anyway.
Well, any tips? Send them over to Dave or me, and we'll try and get them in here.
More cushions.
More cushions.
I'll be surrounded.
Yeah, I know.
Surrounded with cushions.
I'm telling you, you got to build a fort. You'll be fine.
Okay, next time I have to take another photo.
Yeah.
Anyway, that photo will be up, so...
Okay, good.
There you go.
So I got an email from Bill Mira. He's the guy that does Solder Smoke. Like I said before, I was reaching out for other people that had podcasts, and we had talked to him, we had talked about the show before, and I was kind of reading through some of his back issues and listening to some of his older podcasts. And he's actually been in Rome for the past couple of years because he's a diplomat. And he said he's...
right, okay.
That's great. I mean, that's crazy. What a great, not side job. I guess podcasting is his side job, and talking on the radio is a side job, or building radios because he's a ham guy. But, he's been in Rome, and now he's on his way back to Washington, he said. So he's for all those listeners out there that have been waiting for him, he's on his way back, and he's getting his stuff soon, he said. So we'll be looking to interface with him a lot, hopefully.
Excellent. Yeah. Well, I've known about solder smoke for years.
Yeah.
They've posted stuff on the forums and various things. And I don't think I've listened to a full one because it is very ham radio sort of oriented, I think. But they put a lot of effort into that. They sort of pioneered the whole thing.
Oh yeah, and from an analog perspective, those guys are just rock stars. I mean, they can take like a transistor, a rubber band, and then like bounce it off the stratosphere and be talking to India.
Exactly.
You know?
Oh, it's incredible.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, that's so different to what I do. It's just
maybe someday though.
Not an RF. It's
You know, just like an oscillator, right? Stuff. An antenna.
Well, basically, yeah. RF. You know.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not an RF guy. That's not my thing.
Right.
But the Amphour. I think one of them. Don't quote me on this, but I think one of them died a couple of years back.
Oh.
Was tragically killed or something, or something happened. I do remember that. There was two of them. I started out with two of them. They were just ham radio operators, discussing something. And I think, geez, I hope I didn't get that wrong. Sorry if I did, but I think that's what may have happened, which is pretty tragic.
Yeah.
But obviously they're still going, so
well, they'll be back up there soon, so that's good, and hopefully we can bounce ideas back and forth with them, podcasting wise.
Yep.
Oh, excellent. And we're almost through our list of shout-outs. Shout-outs today have been extensive. They're all over the place. Have you seen the so Matt Metz, he I don't know how to say his site, Cibo Mato. I'll link him. But I've seen the poster you're talking about. Yeah, it's about like resistors and the resistor colors. I didn't realize I never saw the YouTube video, and then I saw it had like 12 million views, and I never got.
Oh right, I haven't seen the YouTube video.
Yeah.
Send me that one.
Oh yeah, he links to it on his site. It's like some guy like freaking out about a double rainbow, but like there's all these catchy memes and blah blah blah, and so he did that with resistor colors, but he's selling that. So if memes and resistors are your thing, you jump on that poster real quick.
Go for it.
Yeah.